If you use the Brave browser and dabble in crypto, you might have tried Brave Wallet. It's built right into the browser, so you can manage crypto, connect to DApps, and even swap tokens without needing another wallet like MetaMask. Sounds handy, especially if you're already using Brave and want something simple. But here's the deal. Brave Wallet is okay for basic use, but it's not the most user-friendly or feature-rich option out there. It lacks some tools more advanced users look for, and the interface can feel a bit clunky at times. So, should you use it? If you're new to crypto and want a lightweight wallet that's easy to access, sure, give it a shot. But if you need more features, better security, or a smoother experience, you'll probably want to go with something like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or a hardware option. Let me know if you use Brave Wallet, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.